Welcome to Stress News. My name is Samantha Emerson, and my colleague is Peter Easton.
We have energy advisor Jonathan Harper in the studio. He will tell us how to get more energy in our daily lives. Today, he is going to talk about deep breathing.
Jonathan, why is deep breathing so helpful?
There are 3 reasons. It affects our nervous system, making us more calm and relaxed. It provides more oxygen for our lungs to send to our bodies. More oxygen gives us more energy into our daily lives.
How much more oxygen can enter our bodies through deep breathing?
We can get up to 20 to 30% more oxygen.
So, by taking deeper, slower breaths, we can make our bodies more relaxed and get more oxygen and energy.
Yes, we can.
Is it challenging to breathing deeply and slowly?
It is a new habit, so it takes some time to learn. Because of this, it is important to be patient and have the focus to learn how.
Can you give us a breathing exercise?
Yes. Let's learn a simple exercise. First, you need to find a comfortable place where you can sit down without any disturbances for about 10 minutes. Next, imagine that when you breathe, you are sucking air clean down into your stomach, filling it with air like a small balloon. Be calm and relaxed while you fill your stomach with air.
What can we do if we find it too difficult to concentrate?
You can count from 1 to 4 while inhaling and from 1 to 3 while exhaling. This is an excellent way to become more focused. Every time your mind wanders, focus back on your breathing and begin to count again.
That sounds straightforward enough.
Yes, it is.
How often should we do it?
Do it 2 times a day for 10 minutes. Later on, I will teach you how to use this breathing exercise during stressful situations.
So you recommend deep breathing whenever we need less stress and more energy?
Yes, definitely.
That sounds like an excellent idea.
It is. I don't know what I would do without deep breathing in my daily life. I always feel more comfortable after doing it, and it gives me more energy when I need it as well.
Can you give me some examples of when to use these breathing exercises in our daily lives?
There are many, but here are a few possibilities. When we are standing in a long line at the supermarket or while we are waiting for a bus or train, we can do these breathing exercises when something is causing us stress.
In other words, your point is that we can do this exercise anytime we need it.
Yes, exactly.
So when we've learned this breathing exercise you've shown us, we can use it in many situations in our daily lives.
Yes, many people believe that they must meditate to be able to relax. But I like to do deep breathing when something is making me stressed. I also use deep breathing as a replacement for coffee because it gives me more energy.
A replacement for coffee? That sounds interesting. Tell us more about that.
When I have low energy, I breathe deeply for 10 minutes, and then I have more energy. Often it eliminates my need for coffee, so I have a cup of tea instead.
It is incredible that you can replace coffee with deep breathing.
Yes, it is.
Do you know any useful websites with breathing and relaxation exercises?
I know of many. Here is the 2 best I know: BradleyMorrisMeditations.com and www.calm.com.
Jonathan, do you have a question for those who have followed this TV broadcast today?
Yes, I do. Will you try the breathing exercises you have learned today?
Jonathan, what are you going to tell us about tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will look at exercising, which can also help us when we are too stressed and need more energy.
Thank you, Energy Advisor Jonathan Harper.
See you all tomorrow on Stress News.